Hello everyone, welcome to Cristian Bakes, and today we're baking a red velvet cake, yeah, just for the family tonight, and yeah, we're gonna start right now with Cristian Bakes, red velvet cake. It's in a box, not homemade, so we're just doing it from the box this time, and let's start. So you start up oven, bake, 350, for the temperature of the cake, and you press start right here, like that. Press the start button. It'll preheat its oven to that exact temperature when it beeps. And let's get started with our ingredients and what we need to bake this cake. And let's go do that. All right. So first, we're gonna pan our spray with a greaser. This is a quick spray right here. Spray to the sides. Like that. Perfect. All right. So next, we will put the cake mix. This cake mix right here. Cake mix. Oh, beef. Nice. Okay. We'll mix in here. Cake mix first. Cake mix. Water. 1 cup of water in here. 1 cup. And then 1/3 cup. Perfect. Okay, fill 1/3 cup. Yeah, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Perfect. And 3 large eggs. So put all the eggs in here. Make sure there's no cracks, no shells in here. When you do this, 1 egg. Put in there. Put everything in there. Take it over here. Take it this to the mixer. So we'll do that really quick. We have to put in stir bowl. So you put in stir bowl right here, and then you wait till the powder and eggs and vegetable oil get all mixed, combined in there. Make sure it's like a pure red, good looking cake. This is what it should look like once you put the powdered stuff all combined there. Just put it in stir only, and then it'll stir about like a couple minutes in, and then once you do that, you will put into your 13 times 9-inch pan, and we will bake it for 26 minutes. So yeah, let's go do that. So next, once this is all mixed in, you just put it right in here. Go gently with the cake. Cake flow should fit it all the way. Get all the scrapes in off. It should bake like a champ. So let's do it like this. We just spatula, try to get all the sides of the bowl. There you go. So it looks like this once you're done. And look at that, looks amazing. Here, let's go do this. Okay. Let me get my oven right here. Put it in here. And we're going to put it in the oven for about 26 minutes. Make sure you guys take a toothpick after it's done within 26 minutes and 27 minutes. You just put it in there like that. Make sure it comes out clean. Not all like gooey and battered, like that type of thing. You don't want that. You just want it nice and clean. That's all you want. So you take 3 cups of powdered sugar. Put it in here. Yeah, make sure you get all the powdered sugar. Alright, good. Alright, that's good. And then you take your butter. This is on right. Oh, you beat like this. Roast beef. Gotta make sure it's you get all the butter, the powdered sugar together. Just like lifted. See that? It's all peaks. That's what it should look like. So now I made homemade frosting right here. It looks really good. It's all its glory. Look at that. Look at that delicious frosting I made. It's homemade. So I put it right on the cake. So before what you want to do is actually you want to go gentle with the cake, because you ruin the cake itself with the presentation of the cake. Yeah, see that? It's best to like go slow and like that. Make sure you get huge blobs. I'm gonna put some sprinkles. Sprinkles on top. at a cake. Look at that little cake right there. Alright, we're gonna try this from a box with homemade vanilla frosting. I want to see how this tastes. So a box and homemade vanilla frosting. Let's do it by test. The cake is good from the box, but the frosting is super sweet. But it's good though. It's good, very, very good. So, yeah, so that's what we baked today, red velvet. Perfectly moist cake with homemade vanilla frosting. If you guys like this video, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel as always. And follow social media, Twitter and Instagram. So, peace out to all bakers out there. And yeah, bye guys. Bye, peace out. Bye guys, bye.